In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Phantom wallet, a secure and easy to use crypto wallet for Solana and other blockchains. So whether you're using a Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or even mobile, I'll guide you through the step. So first, if you're using a web browser, oh, just go to the phantom.app official website and then click the download and choose your preferred platform. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Brave for browser extensions. And for mobile, you can choose iOS or Android for mobile app. Now, install the extension if you're using a PC and install the application from iOS App Store or Play Store if you're using a mobile app. Now, in here, to create a new wallet, make sure you check this I agree the terms of services and then click this create a new wallet. And then in here, you can continue with your email or create a seed phrase wallet. So in this case, I'm going to choose the continue with email. So in here, Phantom will give you an options if you want to connect it with your Apple account or Gmail account. But in this case, I'm going to connect it with Gmail account. Now, just simply click on it and it will redirect to another page. And then just simply input your email in here, so on with the password. Now, assumingly we've connect a Gmail in here, let's try this create a seed phrase wallet for the option 2. So in here, activate this device for authentication, and then it could be fingerprint or face, and then click next button. So in here you will see your recovery phrase. You will need to likely to screenshot it and save it for later in case you forgot your password. And after that, just simply click this OK. I save it to somewhere and then click yes. So wait for it to load up. And as you can see, we've successfully created an account in here. And that's it. You have now a fully functional Phantom wallet ready to use for storing, sending, and swapping crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.